Hey Dylan, it's Paul. Let me answer this next question. Is there a way to create a site through Zoho that links to all my events? Answer is yes. You basically just go in and create a custom domain in settings, branding, here we go, custom domains. So I've set this one up at events.z1trial.com, which is here. So if I go to events. You can make it your main domain, but I would recommend doing it events and then doing probably a better website up front for it. But you can link to this page and just say this is your events. So then when I go to the actual page for the events, there's a sales page where you buy a ticket, you do whatever you want to put. You want to put the speakers and the agenda. So you have a website designated for your event that also has a list of events. If I just go back to events. And obviously you can just link to this page. So if you do something like WooCommerce, I'm not going to show you, but basically if you've got if you don't want to use this and you want to use a website that has links direct to stuff like that, you want to do a shop, you want to put in a shopping cart style event at so and so, you would just click on it instead of saying train buy the course or buy the product, add to cart. You would just make the link button jump to your event page. So you would just make that this link here, which is the website itself, but it's still within your domain, come from, you know, a buy now or an add to cart or whatever, and then just make the add to cart on whatever website you've got jump to the events page. But can you have your own website? Yes, here it is, events.z1trial events. So that's and you'll see past events and new ones. It's just a test one. You can spruce it up, and then each page, each conference or event has its own sales page where you do all the selling direct. All right, so hopefully that answered that question.